I would really like to express my thanks to Sir Simon and to you all for having me here. This is the second time that I've come to address you all. I think it's a tremendous honour to have been invited, a great privilege. I owe a great thank you to Sir Mike Rawlins for inviting me in the first place. And there was no doubt that the meeting that we had that day at the very earliest stages of the Medical Innovation Bill made a great difference to its subsequent progress. I'm going to say a word or two about the Access to Medical Treatments Act, and I'm going to say, and then go on to talk about the Royal Commission. The Centre for Policy Studies on the Royal Commission published 2 pamphlets recently, and they're obviously available on the CPS website, one on the reason to have a Royal Commission on the NHS, and the other on the remit that this Royal Commission, if it was to be created, would have. I think you can also find, obviously, the Access to Medical Treatments Act on the parliamentary website and the explanatory notes